District Police Officer Wari Muhammad Essa Khan presided over a meeting with all the teachers of Bahari District. Instructions regarding time limit for registration of cases will be displayed in all police stations and checkpoints. Muhammad Essa Khan, DPO. Steps are being taken to improve public service delivery and provide maximum facilities to citizens. Muhammad Essa Khan, DPO. Prompt response to all Pakar 15 calls and registration of FIR as per SOPs should be ensured. All the applications received in Muhammad Essa Khan, DPO, police stations should be computerized and e-tag number should be issued. Muhammad Essa Khan, DPO. Strict departmental action will be taken in case of delay in registration of cases or any complaints. Muhammad Essa Khan, DPO Vihari. Be courteous to citizens who come to police stations or checkpoints. Solve the problems of citizens on priority basis. Muhammad Essa Khan, DPO.